there, beautiful souls! Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a truly heartwarming topic to discuss that's close to my heart. Picture this, a college campus brimming with eager, bright-eyed students. Among them, many are the first in their families to pursue higher education, standing on the shoulders of giants who made countless sacrifices for this very moment. These sacrifices, often uncelebrated, have shaped their destinies and instilled in them a powerful belief, the belief in giving back. This belief is a legacy, a tradition passed down from generation to generation. Just as my parents paved the way for my successes, I too feel the weight of this responsibility, not only to my son, but to those in my community who may not have been as fortunate. It's a responsibility that has led me to volunteer, serve the underserved, and donate to causes close to my heart. Now I want to share with you the joy and the power of giving. No matter where you are in life, whether just starting your career or already well into it, there are always ways to maximize your giving potential. And here's the best part. Some of these methods come with some pretty neat tax benefits. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Navigating the IRS rules about charitable contributions and tax deductions can be like trying to find your way through a maze. While I'll provide a basic overview, it's always best to reach out to a tax advisor who can tailor advice to your specific financial situation. For more detailed information, you can also check out the IRS publication 526. So let's make our giving count and let's do it wisely. Together, we can make the world a better place, one act of kindness at a time. Because the power of giving doesn't just lie in the act itself, but in the ripple effect it creates. When we give, we inspire others to do the same, and that's how real change happens. So let's make our giving count, and let's do it wisely. Together, we can make the world a better place, one act of kindness at a time. But before we jump in, a quick word of caution. The IRS rules about charitable contributions and tax deductions can be quite the maze. So let's take a gentle stroll through this labyrinth and shed some light on these rules. Charitable contributions are donations made to qualified organizations that the IRS has recognized as tax-exempt. These can be religious organizations, educational institutions, or entities that work for public benefit. Your donations can be in the form of cash, property, or out-of-pocket expenses when volunteering. Now, here's where it gets interesting. These donations can potentially lower your tax bill. Yes, you heard that right. When you make a charitable contribution, you may be able to deduct that amount from your taxable income. Hence, the joy of giving extends not just to the heart, but to your wallet as well. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you must itemize your deductions on your tax return. This means that you need to keep detailed records of your donations. Second, there are limits to how much you can deduct. Usually, it's up to 50% of your adjusted gross income, but it can be lower for certain types of donations or organizations. And here's a pro tip. If your contributions are more than your limit for the year, you may be able to carry over the excess to the next year. So even if you're feeling extra generous one year, your tax benefits won't necessarily go to waste. Remember, these are just the basics. The rules can get quite complex, especially when dealing with non-cash donations or donations of property. That's why it's so crucial to consult with a tax advisor who can guide you based on your specific circumstances. For more detailed information, you can also check out the IRS publication 526. It's a comprehensive guide on charitable contributions, and it's available free of charge on the IRS website. So, armed with this knowledge, let's continue our journey of giving, because not only does it bring joy to our hearts and those we help, but it also brings a little relief to our wallets, and that's a win-win, isn't it? And today I want to share with you how we can all make a meaningful impact through giving. Firstly, consider setting up a monthly donation. This doesn't have to be a large amount. Even a small contribution can add up over time, and the consistency makes a real difference to charities. Moreover, setting up a regular donation can help you plan your budget and potentially provide a steady tax deduction. Secondly, think about giving non-cash donations. Do you have clothes that no longer fit or furniture you no longer need? These items could be invaluable to someone else. Plus, the fair market value of these items could be tax deductible. Thirdly, consider donating appreciated securities, such as stocks or mutual funds. This method not only allows you to claim a tax deduction based on the fair market value of the securities, but also helps you avoid paying capital gains tax on the appreciated value. However, remember, it's not just about the tax benefits. It's about the joy and satisfaction that comes from making a difference. From knowing that your hard-earned money is going towards a cause you truly believe in. That's the real reward. And don't forget, even if you're not in a position to give financially, there are many other ways to contribute. Volunteering your time, sharing your skills, even just spreading the word about a cause you care about can make a huge impact. So let's get creative with our giving. Let's think outside the box. Let's find ways to give that align with our passions, our values, and our financial situation. Remember, giving isn't a one-size-fits-all. What matters is that we give. And hey, if you're unsure about any of this, don't hesitate to seek advice. Talk to a tax advisor, do your research, make sure your giving is as effective as possible. Remember, every dollar you give can make a difference. Let's make our giving count. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to make a difference. Remember, every act of kindness, every dollar given, is a step towards creating a brighter, more compassionate world. And the beauty of giving is that it doesn't just benefit the receiver. The joy, the fulfillment, the sense of purpose that comes with giving, it's priceless. It's a feeling that enriches our lives, that makes us more human. So go ahead, make that donation, volunteer at that local shelter, mentor a student in need, embrace the joy of giving and see the incredible difference it makes in your life and the lives of others. And join us next time as we explore more ways to make a positive impact. Until then, stay blessed, stay kind, and keep giving back. See you in the next video.